Hello. I wanted to talk about this morning scripture writing as well as Bible journaling. So over in the East Coast Bible Journaling group, we are doing the theme Falling in Love with Jesus. And I want to thank Penny Withmore over at That's Just Penny for creating our scripture writing for the month. And I love what she's written on here. It says, if we seek him with all of our heart, he will reveal himself to us. We must spend time in the Word with a hungry, humble heart, knowing that we can have a relationship with Jesus, learning to fall in love with him through his Word. And I just love that. In addition to the scripture writing, she has also created some stickers. And I printed the stickers on regular copy paper. Unfortunately, I have cut some of them out, as you can see, because I used them in my Bible journaling this morning. So over in the group, East Coast Bible Journaling group, for this month, I am offering a giveaway for those in my group who participate in the scripture writing. And I will have a post that you will be able to post your scripture writing on, just to encourage some participation in the group, and as well as encourage you to get into the Word just a little bit more so that we can fall in love with Jesus just a little bit more. Because the more we read his Word, the more we study his Word, the closer that we can become to him. So if you're a part of the group, or if you're not a part of the group, come over and join us at East Coast Bible Journaling Group. And at the end of October, for those who post on the post that I'm creating for the giveaway, you will have an opportunity to win a giveaway. And I will be posting what that giveaway is later in the month. So thanks for watching my video. I love all of you. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video.